Think of a Kubernetes cluster as a city. The control plane is City Hall making decisions, but who actually does the work on the ground? That's the kubelet, the unsung hero running on every single node. The kubelet is the primary node agent in Kubernetes. It runs on each worker node and is responsible for making sure your containers are actually running. Without the kubelet, your nodes would be deaf to the control plane's commands. It's the essential bridge between Kubernetes orchestration and real container execution. Here's how it works. The kubelet constantly communicates with the Kubernetes API server on the control plane. The API server sends pod specifications, or pod specs, which describe what containers should be running. The kubelet receives these instructions, processes them, and ensures the desired state matches reality on its node. This constant communication loop keeps your cluster synchronized. But the kubelet doesn't just start containers and walk away. It continuously monitors pod and container health through readiness and liveness probes. It watches resource usage, checks if containers are responsive, and reports everything back to the control plane. If a container crashes, the kubelet detects it and restarts it according to the pod's restart policy. It's constantly ensuring that what should be running is actually running and healthy. To actually manage containers, the kubelet doesn't do the heavy lifting itself. Instead, it talks to a container runtime like Docker, Containered, or CRIO through the container runtime interface. The kubelet tells the runtime to pull images, create containers, stop them, or delete them. This separation of concerns means Kubernetes can work with different container technologies. So remember, the kubelet is your node agent that receives pod specs from the API server, ensures containers run as specified through the container runtime, and continuously monitors health while reporting status back. It's the critical link making Kubernetes orchestration real. Now go ace the interview. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.